everyone, it's Lacey from Graham Auto Repair. Road trip season is right around the corner. Let's hear some tips from our team on the best way to make sure that you and your car are ready to hit the road. Are you planning on going on any road trips this year?
Eastern Washington.
Eastern Washington? Do you have anything that you do for your vehicle before you go on a road trip to prepare?
Change oil and filters.
Oil and filters? What kinds of things do you make sure to take with you?
Something to change a tire.
What would you suggest that they have checked out before their road trip?
Their tires.
Well, I do plan on going to Whidbey Island in August.
What kinds of things do you do to prepare your car before you take a road trip?
Obviously, check fluids, make sure tires and brakes are good.
And do you have any suggestions on what they should bring with them to make sure that they are safe?
Jumper cables. I personally am kind of partial to my jumper box. It's a little battery about that big. Hooks up to the battery, start the car right up. Don't even need a second vehicle.
That's super helpful. If you were going to give somebody advice on what kinds of things they should get checked on their vehicle before a road trip, what would you